Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock is JSW Steel. After making a sizable bullish candle in Monday's session, JSW Steel made a doji candle. After that, in today's session, the high of the today's candle is almost equivalent to yesterday's candle, which means that we are expecting a lot of movement above today's high. The reason for that is the buyers are sizing up the appropriate entry point. We'll go to your monthly chart to understand if this breakout looks imminent as well. Just see this particular resistance line. So this has been broken here, and after that JSW Steel came closer once, and after second rally it did not even come closer, but after third rally you can see the cluster of bullish candle. So in this way I can see this particular breakout zone get demolished in tomorrow's session, and we could see JSW Steel getting closer to 335 or even beyond that. Second stock is Bharti Infratel. I'll push the current candles on the left hand side. Just see this particular rally. After a down rally, Bharti Airtel went up, and the second down rally only retraced 50% of this particular down rally. And see this third one over here. Third one also did not even came closer to the second down rally, which means that slowly and steadily the momentum is getting changed, and there are buyers who are buying in smaller quantity at the level they find more attractive. So in tomorrow's session we can see this particular high getting demolished as well if Bharti at Infratel goes above 191. The 200 round number is also on if it catches traction early in the session. Third stock for tomorrow is Adani Enterprise. You can easily draw a support line on a daily chart, and this seems to be a rather stronger support. And so what I'm thinking is in tomorrow's session, if you see price opening or near about the current market price, which is 320, then I can see it is going about 330 or even 335. This particular high level can certainly be challenged in tomorrow's session. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Hindalco Industry. Just see this particular pattern over here. From this low, the stock went up, it came down, it retraced 50% of this rally, which means that this is a clear indication of the previous trend continuing. And what we need is Hindalco Industry to go above 184. If that level can be reached in tomorrow's session, then definitely 190 level is not out of reach. If you want to know all the important levels for stocks we discussed in the video, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.